Blah.
What's up, internet? Welcome to another video. So, back in October, around that time of 2024, I was going through my parents' freezer trying to find something to eat, and I saw something. I saw a box for chicken pot pie, and I thought to myself, I swear to God, I've seen this chicken pot pie for so many years. My mom must love this chicken pot pie because she must buy one, eat one, buy one. Because there's always ever one. Only one. Only one. And that got me thinking, she's not eating this chicken pot pie, is she? So, I grabbed this chicken pot pie from my freezer, from Hill Country Fair, HEB. If you don't know what HEB is, Google it. And I decided to look at the expiration date. October 8th, 2006. October 8th, 2006. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm not good at vlogging. I make memes. I don't vlog. And now I decided to hold on to it because I want to see what is inside this. What, 18 years? Yeah, about 18 years. If it made it to 2025 October, it would have been 19 years. So let's see what's inside this probably frostbitten chicken pot pie. You know, to be completely honest with you, I thought I was going to expect more. I mean, it's mostly still there. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting like freezer burn, because my freezer doesn't freeze thing, it freezer burns everything. Like, so I mean, everything's coming apart. Ew. This has a very, it's like styrofoam of chicken.
Oh no!
Doesn't smell good. I'm gonna hate myself, but I'm gonna see if I can try to cook this, because on the box it says, oh wait, can I not microwave this? Do you have to use an oven? I don't want to put this thing in my oven. It says cut slit and top of crust. The crust is gone. There's no crust to this. It's mostly this. And the fact that it's soft, I'm not going to put this in my oven. I don't want to stink up my house with 18-year-old pot pie, chicken pot pie. And I don't know, this is probably not ready to cook. Not like this thing, like you stick it in your oven and boop, now you got food. No, it's you actually have to cook this. But don't worry, this is not going to waste. I do have a compost in my backyard, and that will most likely where it's gonna go. I am surprised that it's still. I guess they don't make it like they used to, because I swear, I buy something today, by next year it would be a hazard zone, and zombies everywhere. But I think that's the end of this little adventure. I'm gonna go throw this in my compost, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Maybe, I don't know. You guys like these? And I don't know how the audio is going to be sounding because I am recording with this little mic I just got. It's supposed to be wireless, but like it was $20, so I don't know how good it is. It's probably peaking, but I'll probably have you know. Work my magic. Alright. Goodbye.